Silas. Konektado at empowered at inclusive ang ating naranasan. Kaya ngayon ay ating isa-celebra ang ating ICT Month kasama ang pag-launch ng Project Safe sa bayan sa probinsya mismo ng Aurora. Ayan. So, tayo na upo ang lahat na si kayo. Ayan. Ngayon po ay tayo bibigyan ng kanilang doxology at pag-awit ng lubang hinirang at ang pag-awit po ng Government of Aurora Hills. Sila po ang PGA Choral. po, ako lang po tayo tayo para naman po sa pag-awit ng ating bagong Pilipinas hymn at ang Bibig Bayan ng hymn. So, invite lang po tayo.
Pag-asenso, magsigap ng mabuti hanggang guminhawa tayo. Bago malaki natin sa mundo at ipamalas ang bagong Pilipino, ang bagong Pilipinas. Lumang paraan, ngayon ay bagong mundo. Hawak mong smartphone na naman. Mula bundok hanggang tabing dagat, lahat kasama lang, kahit sino ka man. Basta't Pilipino, laban lang, walang iwanan. Tara na sumabay sa digital na agos, sabay-sabay, lahat magkaisa, walang maiiwan. Isang bayan na kaagad ng makulay na daan.
Okay po, maraming salamat po. Ayan, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Good morning sa ating mga guests, sa ating mga partners at sa ating mga fellow public servants. Good morning. Welcome po sa launching ceremony of the provision of Internet Connectivity Service ng SAFE or more of Satellite Access for Frontline Efforts. This meaningful event is also part of our celebration of the Nationalizing Month 2025, as mentioned earlier, na ang ating team ay walang iwanan sa digital bayanihan. And I believe lahat dito ay naabutan na ng digital bayanihan saan man gano'n makalayo sa Aurora. Today, we're taking a big step towards making sure that no one is left behind sa atin. And sa lahat po na nandito, maraming salamat po agad sa inyong pagdalo. And to formally open our launching, I would like to invite the Regional Director of PICT Region 3, our Regional Director po, Engineer Antonio Edward E. Babi.
Isang maganda na pagpawan araw sa kanilang lahat. It is both a privilege and profound honor to stand before you today for the official launching of the Satellite Access for Frontline Efforts program here in the province of Aurora. The province not only rich in natural beauty but also in the unwavering support and spirit of its people. This milestone marks another bold step in our shared journey toward a smarter, safer, and more resilient Philippines, anchored firmly on foundational digital innovation. Sa gitnang Luzon, ang probinsya ng lalawigan ng Aurora lang po namin mabibigyan ng ganitong proyekto. Before anything else, allow me to acknowledge and extend our deepest appreciation to the men behind this endeavor. Representing the Governor of the Province of Aurora, the Executive Assistant to the Governor, Mr. Rayman Tolentino. Representing TDRRMO, Engineer Leandro Dangin. The officers, women and men of the municipalities of Casiguran, Baler, San Luis, Maria Aurora, Ipapulaw, Dingalan, Gilasak, barangay captains and councilors of the beneficiary in the barangays of this project. Our DICT Region 3 Pride family, other guests, public servants, fellow public servants. Again, good morning. This month is our National ICT Month, and we are celebrating it with the theme of Walang Iwanan sa Digital na Bayanihan. Digital Bayanihan is the agenda of our new Secretary Henry Roel R. Aguda, and it focuses on digital jobs first, inclusive technology, cybersecurity and privacy, and transparency in governance. This is not just a theme for the month. It is a guiding principle, and it reminds us of the digital transformation that should and must be inclusive. But it must reach every community, every household, and every Filipino. And that begins with this program, rooted on local partnerships and focused on real and measurable impact. Itong assistance po na ito, naka-focus po sa DRRM. Kaya nandito po yung mga kawani ng provincial at saka local DRRM office. Bago po ako naging third level officer ng national government, ako po yung lead officer ng disaster risk reduction ng DICT. In fact, nakapag-attend ako ng isang maayos na project na training sa Amerika in disaster management. I enjoyed all the gigs of the PDRRMO and the local DRRMO to take a look at that particular training under the auspices of the United States Telecommunications Training Institute. Ma-access po yung schedule nila sa ustpi.org. May mga listahan po ng mga training doon. Pero tignan po ninyo, hanapin nyo yung disaster communication management kasi napakahalaga yung makukuhang informasyon at saka experience doon. Binigyan po tayo ng pagkakataon nung nasa Washington DC ako para mabisita yung headquarters ng American Red Cross. At kasalukuyan noon na may emergency sa Louisiana State. At binigyan ako ng pagkakataon ng American Red Cross na ako yung nag-manage ng response doon sa Louisiana. Yung experience na yun, lahat ng makabagong teknolohiya ginagamit ko sa amin. Sana may manggagaling po sa probinsya ng Aurora, Region ng Aurora para makakuha rin tayo ng makabuluhan na paraan para mas lalong maging epektibo ang disaster risk reduction po dito sa lalawigan at saka sa iba't ibang mga local government units. Yung journey ko doon sa US Telecom Training Institute, dinocument po ng administration nila mula nung ako ay responder hanggang ako ay nasa third level. Ganun din po, yung maaaring mag-attend dito from your groups, i-document yung activity niyo. Kasi every quarter, every year, nire-require nila yung mga alumni nila na mag-submit ng accomplishment reports. Our municipal and barangay leaders and the provincial government, your participation in this initiative is deeply valued. Thank you for your continued support and for promoting the goals of digital transformation and disaster preparedness in your respective communities. With your involvement, the implementation of the SAFE program becomes more meaningful and aligned with the real needs of the people we serve. Alam po naman natin na ang lalawigan po ng Aurora ay isa sa mga parating binibisita ng weather disturbance. Nung nakaraan na tumulong po ang DICT para sa connectivity. Ito na po yung, meron na po kayong kaagad-agad na magamit. Kahit na nasa ibang lugar pa ang DICT, meron na kayong gagamitin at magagamit. Mamayang hapon po, yung pangalawang part ng program natin is the Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition or SCADA training for site coordinators. Kunin nyo itong pagkakataon na matuto kasi ito yung real-time na digital format ng disaster risk reduction management. Hindi lang po sa DRR pwedeng gamitin ito, pwede din po sa regular na functions ng local government at ng provincial government. All the participants will be equipped with the appropriate skills and knowledge to operate and manage real-time monitoring system. This is where technology makes accountability. It is through these efforts that we strengthen and foster our ability to act decisively during critical moments. Alam ko naman natin na pagka may emergency, few seconds lang dapat. Alisto na tayo. Kaya nga po responders tayo. Kasi ako, member po ako ng 911 medical responder ng Baguio City. Halos walang tulugan. Yun yung buhay po natin. kung nasa DRRM tayo. Kung DRRM kasi kasama na pati yung regular na emergencies. Hindi lang po yung weather disturbance or natural calamities. Kung minsan pati emergency, medical emergency, kailangan din po yung gampanan kasi alam natin meron naman tayong rural health emergencies, pero kadalasan po kasi challenge po sila sa transport. So yung LDRRM po may mga kagamitan sa transport. So net tinatawagan po tayo. On behalf of the Department of Information and Communications Technology and under the leadership of our new Secretary, Henry R. Aguda, I extend our sincerest gratitude to all partners and stakeholders. Your cooperation makes all this possible. Let us continue together, working together, sharing knowledge, building systems, and investing in solutions that serve the people. Hindi po lahat ng pangangailangan kakayanin po ng DRCT, pero kung magtulong-tulong po tayo na gawin, may mangyayaring maayos. Maraming salamat at muli, congratulations sa lahat, lalo-lalo po ang provincial government ng Aurora at sa mga local governments sa pupunta po niyo dito at gawing successful ang pagbangon nito. Maraming pong salamat at mabuhay ka, Pilipinas.
Maraming salamat po, RB2B. Yeah. So, konting commercial lang po para sa lahat. Kung ninyo mapapansin sa ating gilid, makikita natin ang project safe list po. Composed po ito ng solar power, solar station, solar power station, solar panel, at syempre ang ating free Wi-Fi for all setup, which is meron tayong Starlink. Ito po ang pinobide natin sa ating project safe. Kaya tayo ay pwedeng makagamit during disasters if ever naman na meron, pero sana syempre hindi ko masarap. Okay, proceeding lang po with a special message syempre from the province of government of Aurora mismo. Ayan. So, ang ating masipag at maasang leader po sa atin, ang kanyang EA, ang pinadala, ang Executive Assistant for si Mr. Reynante K. Dolantino. Maraming salamat po sa pagdala.
Thank you. Good morning po sa ating lahat. On behalf of our Governor Reynante A. Tolentino, nagpapasalamat po kami sa Department of Information and Communication Technology under the leadership of Regional Director Antonio Edward F. Padre for organizing the free Wi-Fi for all launching ceremony today. Nagpapasalamat din po kami sa ating Congressman Romero Angara at sa lahat po ng LGU Mayor ng ating lalawigan, kay Engineer Elson Garge at kay Engineer Dungka, PDRMO, at sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng PDRMO for making this event possible. Mahalagang hakbang po ito sa isang mas konektado at mas progresibong Aurora. Sa pamamagitan po ng programang Free Wi-Fi for All, hindi naman po natin binibigyan ng access ang ating mga kababayan sa internet. Ibigyan din natin sila ng maraming oportunidad para sa education, livelihood, and communication. Sa lahat po ng partners ng DICT, mga LGUs, EJ officials, barangay officials, and sa lahat na kapwa ko po empleyat, government employees na narito ngayon, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkikisa. Sama-sama po nating palakasin ang digital at disaster resiliency ng ating probinsya. Thank you very much. Mabuhay po ang ating lalawin ng Aurora.
Maraming salamat po. Ayan. Tuloy-tuloy po natin gagampanan ngayon. Ngayon po para magkaroon tayo ng better understanding kung ano nga ba ang project ng Free Wi-Fi for All. Pero I think everyone na nandito ay nakakaranas naman na. I would like to call on one of our engineers sa DICT Region B, Engineer Joshua Sumaway.
Hello po, good morning po sa ating lahat. Dito na may mga speaker. Ayun po, just to give you an introduction kung ano po ba at ano po ba itong ginagawa namin. Dito po sa DICT, kami po ay under RA 10929 o yung tinatawag po na Free Public Internet Access Program. In short po is FYOP. Ito po ang aming project overview. Ang RA 10929 po o ang act that established the Free Internet Access Program in public places in the country and appropriation fund therefore serve as legal basis. So basically po, ang aming legal basis po dito sa aming project is the RA 10929. Naglalayon po ito na mabigyan ng free internet access ang buong public places. Ano po ba yung mga public places natin? SUCs or state universities and college, public elementary schools, public high schools, plazas, municipalities, provincial capitals, barangay halls po natin. Yan po yung mga targets natin na malagyan ng free Wi-Fi for all. Dito po sa lugar natin, sa buong Aurora po, ang ating mga municipalities at ang ating mga barangay, ideally po ay meron na po public internet or free Wi-Fi po natin. Continuing lang po, ano po ba yung aming objectives? Ang objectives nga po namin ay malagyan ng free internet ang buong, actually the whole country, therefore region 3, the whole region 3 po. Continue lang po. Makikita po natin dito, here po, sinabi, ayan po, i-quote ko lang po yung sinabi ng ating ni President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos noong SONA noong July 2023. Quote ko lang po, because of system upgrades, our internet speed has improved. As of June of this year, our fixed broadband speed ranked 47 among 180 countries. This ranking is 11 place higher than it was last year. Our mobile internet speed is now ranked at 83 out of 142 countries, which is 8 place higher than it was last year. There will be more improvement as our internet infrastructure undergoes further upgrades. Our national fiber backbone and the Broadband ng Masa project will also deliver high connectivity and high-speed internet. We are prioritizing geographically isolated and disadvantaged areas. So, ang sinabi po dito, ipa-priority po natin yung malalayong lugar, mga isolated and disadvantaged areas na hindi po kayang pasukin ng mga other telcos po. Kaya po, kung makikita nyo po, ang mga targets po namin is GDOS po talaga. Continuing lang po. Next. Ayan po. Current status po ng aming project ngayon, as of May 31, 2025, meron po tayong total of 1,075 sites connected, bringing over free internet access sa 514 na location, sa 7 na probinsya, sa 160 na municipalities and cities. Sa Aurora po, meron po tayong 249, sa Bataan, meron tayong 157, sa Bulacan, meron tayong 127, sa Nueva Ecija, meron tayong 138, sa Pampanga, meron tayong 194, sa Tarlac, meron tayong 141, sa Zambales, meron 89. Totaling of 107 po. Paano po ba tayo makakonect sa free Wi-Fi po natin? Una po, hanapin natin yung mga signage. Kung makikita po natin dito sa ating kanan, makikita po natin, meron po tayong signage na nakalagay, DICT Free Wi-Fi for All. Pag po meron po tayong nakitang ganyan, check lang, open lang po natin yung ating phones, hanapin lang po natin yung SSID na, DICT Free Wi-Fi for All. Kung kaya nyo pong gawin yun, meron po tayong active ngayon, makakakonect po tayo sa free Wi-Fi. After po nun, nilalabas lang po na Captive Portal, check lang po natin yung terms and conditions, then login. And after po nun, makakakonect na po tayo sa Wi-Fi po natin. On. Ayun lang po. Ngayon po, pwede na po tayong connect sa free Wi-Fi po natin. We are live po ngayon. Maaari po tayong balik ating gamit ng mga mobile phones.
Thank you so much, Engineer Joshua, for that wonderful presentation about the free Wi-Fi for all. Ayan, so sa lahat nga na nandito, I believe meron na tayong kanya-kanyang free Wi-Fi. Naranasan natin kung paano connect, mabilis, at safe dito sa ating connection. Maraming salamat po sa pagtakilig ng ating connection. Ngayon po ay dadako tayo sa kasunod nating parte ng ating programa. Ito po ay ang makabuluhang Pledge of Commitment bilang simbolo ng ating pagkakaisa at pagsuporta para sa digital transformasyon ng ating bayan. At kasunod po nito ay ang ating photo opportunity ng lahat together with our guests and partners. May I call on our Provincial Head of Aurora, Engineer John Eric de los Reyes, for the Pledge of Commitment. And may I invite everyone to stand for the Pledge of Commitment, people.
Good morning po. As part po of the celebration ng ating launching, we will be pledging our commitment. So meron po tayong copy doon, and for our LGU representatives and ICT officials, meron po, taas lang po natin ng ating kanang kamay. And repeat after nila po. For the Pledge of Commitment, we hereby express our full support and unwavering commitment to the Department of Information and Communications Technology, the ICT Region 2. Provincial launching of the Satellite Access for the Frontline Efforts Program, SEAP.
Launching of the Satellite Access for Frontline Efforts Program.
Collaborate actively with the DICT in the rollout and adoption of digital solutions that uplift communities and strengthen public service delivery. Support, maintain, and enhance the ICT infrastructure and services crucial to the successful and sustained implementation of state operations. Number 3, foster community engagement by promoting digital literacy, capacity building, and participation in innovation-driven initiatives across all sectors.
Foster community engagement by promoting digital literacy, capability building, innovation-driven initiatives across all sectors.
Uphold the values of transparency, accountability, and continuous improvement in the execution of all ICT-enabled governance and development efforts. Champion digital inclusion, ensuring that every Auroran, regardless of location or background, has access to meaningful digital opportunities and resources. Through this pledge, we reaffirm our collective resolve to make the province of Aurora a beacon of rural digital transformation, empowered, connected, resilient, and future-ready. That's it for our pledge of commitment. Thank you very much. And para po sa mga LGU representatives natin and the ICT officials, so hindi lamang po ito salita, we will sign din po sa ating pledge of commitment dito po. So, for our support staff, yung mga signature na, yung mga friends na lang po natin for signature. Lapit na lang po tayo sa ating pledge of commitment.
Yan, as we witness the signing of our pledge of commitment, I would like to congratulate the province of Aurora para sa patuloy nating digital transformation sa ating bayan at ang ating mga probinsya mismo. Alright, lahat po ay nakapirma na sa pledge of commitment. We will proceed now with the awarding of our certificate of appreciation to the different sa iba't ibang bayan ng ating probinsya ng Aurora. Yeah, may I call on our regional director to stand in the front and together with the province of Aurora representative. Okay. Sir, yeah, so this certificate of appreciation is awarded to the municipality of Maria Aurora in grateful recognition of its invaluable contribution and unwavering support in the successful conduct of National Information and Communication Technology Month 2025 with the team Walang Iwanan sa Digital Bayanihan. Your commitment and fostering innovation and collaboration greatly contributed to the success of the month-long celebration, which highlights the vital role of ICT in nation-building economic progress. Given this 10th day of June 2025 at the provincial capital of Aurora. So let's go natin to award the certificate of appreciation for the province or for the municipality rather of Viva Calao, Aurora. Our next certificate of appreciation is awarded to the municipality of Dinalungan, Aurora. Dinalungan, Aurora po.
Wala pa yung Dinalungan ata. Wala talaga Dinalungan.
Okay, proceeding po with our next municipality, the municipality of Baler, Aurora. Next certificate of appreciation is awarded to the municipality of Dilasan, Aurora. Okay, next is the certificate of appreciation awarded to the municipality of San Luis, Aurora. Next certificate of appreciation is awarded to the municipality of Kasiguran, Aurora. Last certificate of appreciation to the municipality of Tinggalan, Aurora. At syempre, hindi din mahuhuli ang ating pag-award ng certificate of recognition to the Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office of Aurora. Let me just read this time. In grateful recognition of its invaluable contribution and unwavering support to the successful conduct of the National ICT Month 2025 with the team Walang Iwanan sa Digital Bayanihan, Your commitment to fostering innovation and collaboration greatly contributed to the success of the month-long celebration, which highlights the vital role of the ICT in nation building and economic progress given this 10th day of June 2025 at the provincial capital of the Mayor of Aurora. Signed by our Regional Director, Engineer Antonio Edward E. Palmer. Ayan. And last of certificate of recognition is awarded to the provincial government of Aurora. So, thank you so much po sa province of Aurora sa pag-attend at pagpunta. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng ating mga guests, sa ating mga partners dito, site beneficiaries natin and site coordinators. To move forward po natin, we would like to invite everyone, our guests, para pumunta po sa baba for a photo opportunity po natin lahat with our site beneficiaries, site coordinators po. And I would like to invite our photographers here in front dito po. Lahat na po tayo, magsitayo po sana tayo lahat para lang po sa ating program opportunity. Ayan. Meron po ba tayong posing dito sa atin sa provincial government of Aurora? Wala naman. Alam na gano'n tayo. Ganito po. Ayan. So, ang ating unang kuha po ngayon ay ating posing for the province of Aurora. Ganito po tayo. Tama? Ayan. Sa amin naman po sa DICT, after yan ay ganito tayo. Okay? Okay, on 3 po pause na May drum team po tayo. 1, 2, 3. Ngayon po, next po natin, gaganito naman tayo. Ang A po natin yan, sa DICT po. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Alright, ngayon meron din po tayong video, maiksi lang po ito. Ang ating sasabihin ay Happy National ICT Month 2025. Tapos yung ating pong temang walang iwanan sa digital bayanihan. Okay, ulitin lang po natin na practice number 1. Okay, Happy National ICT Month 2025. Walang iwanan sa digital bayanihan. Okay, kaya po. Practice. 1, 2, 3. Okay, on 3 po mag-video tayo 1, 2, 3, go! Ayan. Isa na lang po. Last one Ito na hindi ko nakalitin. Tagaan mo lang. Ayan Okay. Yan lang po. Ang tulo natin. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy National ICT Month 2025. Walang iwanan sa digital bayanihan. Thank you so much po sa ating province of Aurora. Maraming salamat po sa pagdano. Sa lahat ng dumalo ng ating mga guests, sa ating mga partners, maraming salamat po. Pero huwag po muna kayong umalis. Siyempre, kung tayo ay meron magsimula, meron din po magtatapos ng ating program. Alright, to officially close this milestone event, pakinggan po natin ng closing message from our PDRRM officer, Engineer Leandro and Luca Jr., our PDRRM SRD.
Hello, magandang umaga po. Busog na kayo Okay, so first, I would like to extend our deepest gratitude on behalf of the Provincial Government of Aurora of course, sa paulo ni Governor Renato Tolentino, sa ating DICT, through the leadership of our President BBM and kay Secretary Aguda, and of course sa ating Regional Director, kay Director Padre, palakpakan niyo po sila. At sa lahat ng DICT family na nandito, maraming salamat po because alam niyo po, dahil po sa tulong nila, no? Because from our past experience, during Super Typhoon Pepito, nakita talaga natin yung importance ng internet because internet connection has become one of the most important resources not only in normal conditions but more so during times of disasters. So magagamit niyo po yan, sabi ni Sir, during your regular office functions sa barangay, and most especially, dapat po in working condition siya kapag may dumarating na mga disasters sa atin, especially sa pagbibigay ng mga reports sa ating mga MDRIMO, from barangay to MDRIMO and to the province. Because very important in real time. Ibig sabihin, on time yung report at facts yung mga binibigay natin para mabibigay po yung response and early recovery actions na kailangan ng bawat komunidad. Okay, malinaw po ba yun? Okay, mamayang hapon, makinig po tayo sa training na ibibigay ng ating mga kasama from the ICT because this will help everyone para ma-maintain po natin na working and functional yung lahat ng ating free Wi-Fi for all dun sa bawat barangay ninyo. Okay? So, siguro tuturo nila in terms of the maintenance and operation ng internet equipment na kinabit nila. So, alagaan po natin yan. Huwag po natin pababayaan and make sure na monitor natin kung may problema, i-report po natin para just to ensure na functional siya whole year round. Samantalayin po natin yung subscription na binayaran ng DICT. Bayad po yan sa loob ng buong isang taon. So sana ma-maximize natin yung paggamit po niya. Okay? So happy DICT month po sa ating lahat. And magandang umaga po. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay po kayo. Thank you.
Yeah, maraming salamat, Sir Lee. So that concludes our part 1 of our for today's event para sa ating lahat. Pero ngayon po, maaga-aga tayo natapos. Pero maaga na rin po natin pwedeng simulan ang training natin para mamaya. So mag-proceed na po tayo ng bahagyang training para magtuloy-tuloy po tayo. Maayos lang po ba sa atin? Tapos mag-relax na lang po tayo mamaya. So to start po our part 2 actually, we will be starting with our overview and introduction to the training program. Okay. So, may I call Engineer Jan Peter Garcia for the overview. Yeah, dito na lang po tayo. So, I believe everyone in here is our site coordinators, site beneficiary. Lahat po tayo meron free wifi sa ating kanya-kanyang barangay hall. Tama po? Yes po. Sana naman po gumagana po. Kasi pagka hindi po, na alam ko, kilala niyo yung mga tao na yun, yung mga natin, yung nagkabit sa atin mismo. Ayan. Okay, so here is Engineer Peter po to present our overview.
Good morning everyone. Thank you po. First of all, sa pagkakanto, allow me to provide a brief background on or satellite access for frontline effort. This initiative by the department aims to ensure reliable and secure internet connectivity across 61 barangays in 8 municipalities within the province of Aurora. Its goal is to strengthen access to communication, especially during unexpected events such as natural disasters. Later po, yung team ng DRRM, ng DICT will share po their insights regarding po sa disaster preparedness. To further enhance this initiative, we have integrated supervisory control and data acquisition or SCADA into our free Wi-Fi system. Bali, usually po, walang SCADA system, yung free Wi-Fi na dinadeploy natin. This time, una ko lang in-deploy po ito sa Project Safe para po mas real-time yung monitoring and as well as yung pag-report po if may trouble po sa free Wi-Fi. This system enables real-time monitoring, as I mentioned earlier, control and management of the network infrastructure, crucial for maintaining operational efficiency and quick response capability. Today, the training is designed to help you, the barangay staff and our site coordinators, to become familiar with the SCADA system and how to use its features effectively based on their specific access level. We will also cover basic troubleshooting techniques. I-discuss po yung basic troubleshooting ng mga installers po natin later. And para po mas ma-manage na if ever magkaroon ng minor issues is ma-resolve po agad. And if ever naman po na hindi natin ma-resolve, gamit yung or through the basic troubleshooting na i-represent later, pwede nyo po agad i-report sa DICT or sa SCADA mismo. May reporting po tayo. Later in this session, our engineer from Free Public Internet Access Program, Region 3, will provide you more in-depth technical discussion and a live demonstration of the system. I know Engineer Paolo and Engineer Joshua will present. We hope this training will
Ayan, so magandang umaga po sa inyo lang. Alam niyo po ako yung nakakalimutan sabihin. Noong una-una pa, hindi po pala ako makapagpakilala. Bali ako po ang Engineer 3. So I'm na regional engineer po kami ng DICT Region 3. So isa po kami ang mga nag-plan yung team namin dun sa Project Safe. Gusto ko lang po humingi agad ng paumatin dahil alam ko nung kailangan niyo po Project Safe kaagad-agad ay hindi namin naibigay. Dumating pa po tayo sa puntong Marso na ito na ikalit. Pero huwag niyo po pasensya na po at asahan niyo na lang po na magtutuloy-tuloy tayo. Yun po yung sinabing Sir D kanina na magtutuloy tayo for 1 year and hopefully magtuloy-tuloy tayo po. So lahat po tayo dito tayo yung mga site beneficiary and site coordinator po na ating mga kanyang barangay. So nakakita ko po darating na yung listahan ng barangay na natin. Sobrang salamat po lalo na yung mga taga malayo pa. Sila po yung mga early birds natin kanina actually. Di ba po, sa kasiguran po sila. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Pero gagawin po natin ang paraan ngayon para mapang-press natin yung ating program. Matapos tayo na maaga. Ayos lang po ba sa ating lahat na tayo ay mag-working lunch? Makikinig tayo habang tayo ay kumakain? Ayos na po. Para matapos tayo na maaga dahil yung panahon natin ngayon ay pagkahapon na ulan na. Okay? Sige po, to proceed lang po with our program part 2. The discussion of the SCADA system orientation and demonstration and basic troubleshooting training to be done by our engineer. One of our engineers at the DICT Region 3, our engineer 2, provincial engineer of Pampanga and Bataan, Engineer Joshua Sumaway. And syempre ako rin po, yung engineer Paolo yung video po. Salamat po. Set up lang po namin. Pero okay lang po mag-working lunch po tayo. Siguro bago matapos din po tayo bago mag-2 or bago mag-3. Continue tayo mapun. Ayos lang po. Okay. Kaya lang, kita po ba? Wala po po pasisip, paliwanag pa. Aha.
Dito sa gitna.
Dito po namin ilipat, okay lang? Subukan po natin ilipat dito sa mas malapit at sa gitna. Okay. Kamusta po ba? Ayos naman po ba sa ating mga lugar? Meron bang mga hindi gumagana? Sabihin nyo po kagad. Kung meron hindi gumagana, sabihin nyo kagad. Nawawala. Sige po, pagka mga